Coca-Cola.
Oh yeah, I got sake in my nose.
Oh, really? My bad, my bad.
Kill the germs, you know.
Good for sinus.
Yeah, it is good.
Are you having fun on Father's Day?
Yep. Yep.
No. Cooking the food.
Yes, he's not being funny right now. But he's cooking.
Doing good. All right.